pareho sa akon. Tung naman niyo si Barbie, baw, mas gimpagwapa pagid siya. Ari tutukan ta.
Sino ba lang hindi ka kilala kay Barbie? Sa 50 anyos sini nga pagkapopular, halos na nga bata nga babayi gusto may Barbie doll. Kag mas malingaw pag hindi lang mga bata kundi bisan maedad na, sa kaanyag ni Barbie kay man sa Balay Barbie exhibit, ginpabistihan nini sa mga kilala nga fashion designers ang pungsod. Pila sa nagdesign kag nagpabayo kay Barbie, sanday Pitoy Moreno, Pipito Albert, VJ Floresca, JC Bundia kag madamo pa.
As you can see, the design is very intricate. It has pearls and then the calado design, no, embroidered. And then the veil is with gold trimmings on it and very, very intricate done. Of course, with the grills on top of her headdress.
We can say that it's really trademark na nito.
This is really a trademark of Pitoy Moreno.
Daw ka, daw mas charming na gid sila lantawon. Kag daw ka elegant, mas more elegant na gid.
Ginbakalasang pila ka makasarangin ng mga Barbie. Ang income, nagkado sa Ballet Philippines para makabulig sa mga bataon ng mga Filipino para makapadayon sa ilahilig sa pagsaot.
Basically, the idea of the Ballet Barbie came about because of Ballet Philippines. Now, Ballet Philippines have continuously been sourcing and finding ways to come up with funds, to raise funds for the scholars of Ballet Philippines, because we want them to continuously dancing, to be on their toes all the time. And for this to happen, we need a lot of funds. And Mirna Yao, who is the exclusive distributor of Barbie rather here in the country, had generously donated to us $200 for Ballet Philippines. And our president, Miss Margie Moran Florendo, had thought of a concept of inviting all the designers of the country to dress up the dolls.
Ining aktibidad magalawig tub October 4. So ano pang ginahulat niyo mga kapuso? Kadto na sa SM City Food Court Hallway, kagsaksihan ng wala kupas na katahom sang Ballet Barbie.